Alright folks, we're back, and as you can see, they did it right. Remember, the left side, they didn't have caps on it, and the back tires was armor rods. So this is actually the front right tire now. This is back here where it's supposed to be. Moving on around the car, this is the tires where it's supposed to be. This is the back right side, and it's armor rod with the cap on the stem where it should be. Because remember, the left side didn't have stems on it, and the armor rod tire was in the back. So coming on around this side, and moving on around. Okay, and you can see the cap is off the stem, and the armor rod tire is in the front. This one was on the back left side. And we're moving on back here to the tire that's not armor rod and the stem is off. This tire was on the front left side. So that's how a way you can make sure that they actually do your rotation right, folks. Keep up with your maintenance. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, leave me a comment.